Good morning, guys. It is November 30th, the last day of, I almost said the last day of Warped Tour. I am not awake yet. It is 6:30 in the morning and it is the last day of November. I slept in today, which sounds crazy for a lot of people, 6:30 a.m. sleeping in, but normally I wake up at 4:30 and that's when I start getting work done. But her neighbors are like crazy loud, so I've been struggling to like sleep through the night, and I actually slept through the whole freaking dang night except for 2 times when I woke up at 11:40, which I went to bed at like 9 because I am a grandma. But I remember waking up and I was like, how is it only almost midnight? Like, I was hoping it was like 2 a.m. because that's usually when I wake up, when I hear them making noise. I don't know what they're doing at 2 a.m. but it's like loud. I am going to get some work done right now, and my eyes are also bloodshot red. I've been having to sleep with, I don't know where it is, but like a wet rag over my eyes because you guys, I'm like super sick. It's really bad. Wow, speaking of Warped Tour, didn't even realize I was wearing that. So I have been like editing and working all morning, and I walk out and now there's a dog here all of a sudden. Hi buddy, where did you come from? Where did you come from? How did you even get in here? I'm so confused right now. Like, hi buddy, how'd you get in here? What do you want? Oh. Okay, so literally I put in the address Waimea Falls, whatever it is, and the sign literally took me to not Waimea Falls. Okay, so if you guys are looking at this video because you're interested in the falls, well, to get there, do not put in Waimea, or I don't know how to say it, Waimea Falls. Put in Waimea Beach Park, because apparently that's where you gotta go. And I went the wrong way, and I kept seeing these signs all along the way saying not Waimea Falls, and then guess what, it wasn't Waimea Falls. So going back, it's about 10 minutes away. If you do make that mistake, it's 10 minutes back to the park. So hopefully this is the right way. If it's not, I won't put this in the video. So alright, so I made it, and it is in fact the park that you have to go to. But anyways, I'm where I was with Sierra on the second day, so.
Why you gon' change? Just cause the weather is colder don't mean that we're losing it. Aren't you wondering, what if I am your missing piece? What if we mess with destiny? What if the definition of we is two people in time living their own life? Like two parallel lines, they'll never collide. Steady, I just keep on hoping that one of us will find a way we can intertwine. Steady, I keep on hoping. Two parallel lines, they'll never collide. Steady, I just keep on hoping that one of us will find a way we can intertwine. Steady, I keep on hoping.
So I made the jump, and it was fun. We both jumped off of the big rock. So these are all the movies that were filmed here.
That one of us will find a way we can intertwine. Steady, I just.
Look at this tree, you guys. This is insane. I definitely feel like I'm in a movie.
I just keep on hoping.
There's a heaven here of choices that are calling. On the other side of earth there's only fear. We have drawn in all this light while some are crawling. There's no justice here as far as I can see.
Whoa, I have to go in there.
Come and tell where you should be.
Oh, what is this? I don't even know if we're supposed to go in here. How cool is this? Oh, very muddy.
So this would have been fine yesterday. You know that cloud and like you have to unstick your shoe from the mud?
Yep.
The entire time.
It must have actually been truly magical because this feels
so
magical.
easy to forget where we
I feel
could
like I'm in a
be.
video game.
We adapted, we all raised and sent the message. What's the difference now? Is it something I can see? Who are we to come and tell where you should be? And who are we to come and say what land is free?
I'm crazy allergic to mosquitoes. Yeah, that's why I swell up. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can see this on the video. Do you see that? What is this?
It's white stuff.
This is the canoe house.
Who are we to come and tell where you should be? And who are we to come and say what land is free? And who are we? And who are we?
Amazing! Let me put my glasses on because I look like a disaster. It's crazy how it's cloudy again. We're about to go in and it is raining on us now, so that's always great. We have to wear these life jackets, which I'm kind of happy about because I suck at swimming.
Baby, you look happier, you do. My friends told me.
So it is raining again. The weather's kind of, I guess tropical rain. I feel like are we in a rainforest technically? I don't even know. What does that mean? So we just swam next to the waterfall or in the waterfall and it was beautiful and it's starting to rain again. I kind of love this weather and low-key I wanted to thunderstorm so bad. So bad. I guess I just got what I asked for. Be careful what you wish for. Because here it comes. I'm just standing under this massive leaf. It's quite convenient in the rain. This is a lot. Okay. I'm literally hiding under this tree stump right now. Sorry, I have to put my glasses on for half of these videos because I look so bad. It is pouring rain. It is bad. It is terrible right now. It's freaking crazy. Look how crazy flooded it is right now.
I know I was happier with you.
So we're at the food trucks right now, and it is still raining. But the North Shore food trucks are apparently like the place to go when you're in North Shore. Oh, this is so cute. Look back here. So, yeah, here we are. Everything's wet, but it's fine. Also, I know I look so disgusting in these videos, but like I wasn't gonna wear makeup to be in water all day, so.
Ain't nobody hurt you like I hurt you.